If you are a teen in 2026, the worst side hustle is not the lowest paying one. The worst side hustle is the one that gives you money but teaches you nothing. Because a good teen side hustle should do two jobs at once. It should help you earn a little now and make you more valuable later. That is why most easy money ideas are secretly terrible. They promise freedom, but they mostly sell confusion to people who have not built proof yet. By the end, you will know which side hustles are worth trying, which ones to avoid, and how to choose the right one. Not guaranteed money, not magic internet cash, just realistic ways to become useful. Before the list, here is the rule that changes everything. The best side hustle for a teen is not the one with the fanciest name. It is the one where someone clearly understands why they should pay you. Most beginners skip that part, then wonder why nobody replies. So use this filter for every idea. Does it solve a real problem? Can you start safely? And does it build a skill? If an idea fails all three, it is probably a distraction with better lighting. And the first side hustle looks boring, which is exactly why it works. Side hustle number 1 is local problem solving. This means helping people near you with small, annoying tasks they already want gone. Not dangerous work, not sketchy jobs, and not pretending you are an adult expert. Think basic garden help, pet sitting with permission, organizing messy spaces, washing cars, or simple tech setup. The reason this works is simple. Adults are busy, and boring problems still need solving. A teen who is polite, reliable, and clear can stand out fast. Most people do not need a genius. They need someone who actually shows up. But here is the catch, and this matters. You need permission, safe boundaries, and local rules, especially if you are under working age where you live. Do not meet random strangers alone, share private information, or take work that feels unsafe. Money is good. Staying safe is non-negotiable. The beginner move is offering one tiny service to people who already know your family. For example, I can wash your car Saturday morning for a set price. That is clearer than, I do random jobs, please give me money. Small, clear offers beat big, confusing dreams. And once you understand clear offers, the next side hustle becomes much easier. Side hustle number 2 is tutoring, but not the scary version. You only need to be 1 or 2 steps ahead of someone else. If you understand maths, basic essay writing, beginner coding, or study planning, that can be useful. The trick is to make the offer narrow. Try, I help younger students stop panicking about fractions. That sentence tells people exactly who you help and why it matters. But there is a line you should never cross. Helping someone learn is good. Doing their homework for money is cheating with invoices. The real value is patience, explanation, and confidence. And those skills are useful in almost every future job. Here is a quick test. If you can explain one school topic without making someone feel stupid, you have a service. Now we move online, where the opportunities are bigger, but the traps are louder. Side hustle number 3 is short-form video editing. This is popular because creators and small businesses constantly need attention, but beginners ruin it by saying, I can edit videos. A stronger offer is, I can turn one long video into 3 short clips. Now the client understands the result before they even see your work. You need clean cuts, readable captions, decent pacing, and a strong first second. Editing teaches attention, and attention is one of the internet's most useful skills. But do not spam creators with lazy messages. Make one sample from your own footage or use clips you are actually allowed to edit. Then show the before and after. Proof beats promises, especially when you are young. The next side hustle uses the same idea, but for people who hate making things look good. Side hustle number 4 is simple design help. Just simple thumbnails, posters, menus, flyers, profile banners, or clean social posts. A lot of small creators and local businesses have decent ideas, but ugly presentation. You can help by making their message clearer. The beginner version is, I can make 3 clean thumbnails for your next video. Or, I can turn your messy menu into something customers can actually understand. The skill is not just making pretty pictures. The skill is helping people understand something faster. But there is a trap here too. Do not steal logos, copy thumbnails, or use copyrighted art like it is yours. Use simple original layouts, basic shapes, and your own style while you learn. The goal is to become useful enough that someone trusts you with a small problem. Now here is where most teen side hustle videos get weird. They jump straight to AI and act like typing prompts is a business. Side hustle number 5 is AI-assisted services, but only if you do the thinking. AI can help organize notes, draft schedules, clean messy text, brainstorm ideas, or make basic templates. But AI cannot replace trust. They might pay if you use tools to save time and still check the work carefully. For example, help a local club turn messy event notes into a clear schedule. But never sell fake expertise. Do not offer serious legal, medical, financial, or safety advice you are not qualified to give. And do not use AI to cheat on assignments or help someone else cheat. The honest angle is simple. You are not selling AI. You are selling organized human effort with AI as a tool. That difference sounds small, but it protects your reputation. And reputation is the real currency when you are starting young. Side hustle number 6 is reselling, but not the fake luxury version. Reselling means finding underpriced items, improving the listing, and selling them honestly. This could be old games, books, sports gear, clothes, or tech accessories you understand. The skill is learning what people want, what things are worth, and how to present them clearly. But this is also where teens can make dumb mistakes. Do not buy things you cannot afford to lose money on. Do not sell fake items, broken items as working, or anything unsafe. And do not meet strangers alone just to make a few dollars. Start with stuff your family already owns and no longer needs, with permission. Take better photos, write an honest description, and learn what actually sells. The hidden benefit is not just cash. You learn pricing, negotiation, patience, and how markets actually behave. Side hustle number 7 is local business content help. This is where online skills and real-world trust meet. Small businesses often know their product, but struggle to post consistently. You can offer to take simple photos, write basic post ideas, or edit short clips. Do not say, "I will grow your business." That is too big and too risky. Say, "I can make 4 simple posts from your existing photos this week." That is clear, useful, and not pretending you control the whole internet. The skill you build is understanding how businesses communicate online. But if someone asks you to lie, fake reviews, or make shady promises, walk away. Your reputation is worth more than one awkward payment. And now we get to the slowest side hustle, which might become the strongest later. Side hustle number 8 is building your own audience. But do not start because you think views equal instant money. Start because making content forces you to learn valuable skills in public. You learn writing, packaging, editing, speaking, storytelling, and understanding what people care about. That is why content can be powerful, even before it pays. A teen with 10 helpful videos has proof. Proof is stronger than potential. Your first channel does not need to be perfect. It could document a skill, teach a subject, review tools you use, or explain a hobby. Just keep it safe, age-appropriate, and respectful of privacy. If you are under platform age rules, use parent help and follow the rules instead of sneaking around them. Breaking rules to start a business is a terrible foundation. Now, before you choose, here is the part most videos skip. The best side hustle depends on your current advantage. If you are good at school, try tutoring. If you like editing, try short-form clips. If you are organized, try AI-assisted admin or local content help. If you have local trust, try simple neighborhood services. If you like buying and selling, try careful reselling with permission. Do not pick the side hustle that sounds coolest. Pick the one you can repeat for 4 weekends without hating your life. Consistency is easier when the work fits your personality. And one more thing. Keep records from the start. Write down what you earned, what you spent, who paid you, and what you learned. That sounds boring until you realize it makes you look serious. It also helps when taxes, parents, or future opportunities ask what you actually did. Real side hustles are not just about money coming in. They are about becoming the kind of person people trust with problems. So here's the final filter. Avoid anything promising huge money for tiny effort. Avoid jobs that ask you to pay first, hide details, or move to private chats immediately. Avoid anything that requires lying about your age, skills, results, or identity. And avoid side hustles you would feel embarrassed explaining to someone you respect. The best teen side hustles are boring enough to be real and useful enough to compound. They build cash, skill, confidence, proof, and judgment. That is the unfair advantage of starting young. You do not need to be rich at 16. You need to become the kind of person who can create value before most people even start. So pick one small problem, solve it honestly, and collect proof. Then do it again next weekend. But flashy is usually where beginners get scammed. Useful is where beginners become dangerous. And if you are a teen in 2026, useful might be the best side hustle of all.